Today, we're going to be using a couple new things here. One, we're going to be using the GoPro that my wife bought me. This was my old camera. She got sick of me not answering my phone when I was fishing, so she bought me a GoPro for Father's Day. The other thing we're going to be using is these Gulp minnows. They're scented, and they normally work pretty good on slower days like this. Well, let's see how it works. Now, these things come with their own little juice, and you could fish with one for a while and then just dip it back in there to recharge it. The only thing about these is if you leave them out in the sun too long, they dry up as hard as a rock. Whenever you rig these, you want to make sure it's not stretched out too much. Give it more of a natural action in the water. And since it's such a hot sunny day, I'm not even going to use a weight on it. We'll cast it out and see what kind of action it has. Good action, just like a real dying fish. There we go. There we go. Little largemouth. Hooked right by the eye too. Oh, so close to the eye. Damn. Alright, let's see if we can get this out of here. He just flung that. There we go. Alright, so we just caught that one bass on the Berkley Gulp. Again, this is a scented bait, and I just like to use it weightless, honestly. I feel like it gives it that nice action that they're looking for on this type of a day. You can use these all kinds of different ways with a jig head. Is one of the more popular ways for walleye. Since I'm using it for bass though, use one of the bigger size hooks here. No, not that big. Not that big either. Let's just go with this one. I'll just rig it right out the back like that. See if we can catch something that way. Now with that Berkley Gulp, I'm just gonna fish it as slow as possible. Just little twitches. Slowly reel it in. You know, it's a nice, calm, hot, sunny day. Oh, there we go, something nipped it. Oh, something's got it. We want that bass to get it though, and I could see him. He followed it right up. Oh, there he goes. All right, we gave this place its 15 minutes of fame. Let's go relocate. But now, here's the other good thing about these Berkley Gulps is you can actually recharge them. Dip them back into that juice. Stinky juice, whatever the hell it is. Get it all over there again. And there you go. The only thing you want to do is make sure this is sealed up real good because it will leak. Definitely had that happen a bunch of times. Alright, let's go find somewhere else now. Catch another one real quick.